Hi everyone. This is my entry for the NASA challenge of showing a short concept animation of 3D printing a thermal protection material onto a heat shield and metal 3D printing a pressure vessel for a space capsule. In this example, it's based on this Orion human-rated capsule. Here the 3D printing robots are shown in a factory setting 100 feet wide by 80 feet deep. The areas in front of the printers would serve as an assembly area. There would also be an overhead crane, or some type of devices for lifting and moving items. The metal printer would use aluminum wire fed from a spool. The wire gets fed up through the arms and into the feed head. The aluminum wire is then heated and melted by a high-power laser, which causes the layers to fuse together. Over on the other side is a robot for applying the thermal protection material onto the heat shield, and a robot behind that for doing final machining to the material on the heat shield. The thermal protection material is fed into a hopper from which a pump feeds the material through tubes in the robot arms to a metering pump in the extruder head. The heads are interchangeable between robots. There would be 4 types of head configurations. The first would have sensors to do a 3D scan of the item to be coated with material, in this case the heat shield. This would provide a surface map of the object. The second type of head would be an extruder, which uses the 3D scan information. And the third head would be a final machining head, which would smooth out the thermal protection coating. The fourth type of head arrangement would be the metal filament feeder with laser attached. The extruder applies the thermal protection material, starting from the bottom of the heat shield, and continues around in a spiraling circular motion. The head remains perpendicular to the surface of the heat shield at all times. There's a rotary joint in the lower arm that allows 360 degrees of motion. The material feeds through this rotary joint, and there's also a separate rotary electrical connection. The robots shown are just simple conceptual models, but I hope this helps convey some ideas. Thanks for watching.